Clean up. I need to clean up my room before dinner. Tidy up. Before going to bed, make sure to tidy up all the toys from the living room. Take out. Don't forget to take out the trash before the garbage truck arrives. Wash up. After dinner, we need to wash up the dishes. Sweep up. She swept up the sand from the kitchen. Mop up. He quickly mopped up the soup that spilled on the floor. Wipe down. She wiped down the mirror to remove the fingerprints. Put away. She put away her clean clothes in the closet. Vacuum up. She vacuumed up the crumbs from the kitchen floor. Hang out. She hung out the laundry to dry in the backyard. Iron out. She needs to iron out her shirt before the meeting. Rinse off. He rinsed off his hands after working in the garden. Dust off. I dusted off the furniture in my room to get rid of the dust.